Welcome to Buenos Aires Airlines. On today's menu, we have a classic Argentinian asado steak. Tender, smoky, and full of flavor. Let's fire up that grill. While the steak is cooking, let's grab some refreshing grapefruit soda. And finally, a bright and zesty chimichurri sauce to balance out the heartiness of the steak. Tap to peel the cover and add chimichurri to the cart. The steak is ready. Place the steak on the table. Swipe vertically to cut. Done! Place the asado steak on the tray and serve as needed.
Hi! Woohoo! Oh!
Wow. Thank you.
Hi!
Great. Delicious. Woohoo.
Oh!
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Thank you!